Guys, I'm finally graduated. Just finished high school. Maraming salamat talaga. Salamat ng marami sa inyong lahat na pang-aalaga sa akin. And now, the era ends, the story ends, and we're in the finish line. Guys, bukas na ako tomorrow I'm going to be posting sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or sa lahat ng social media. I will be active tomorrow on social media. Sa Facebook, magiging active na rin ako kasi doon ko ipopost talaga yung graduation. Okay? And finally, I'm blessed to meet Ate Jana. Si Ate Jana, na-meet ko na. No? Ninang, hello sa video.
Pero dahil yung art niya 76.
Okay, end ko na to kasi napapaus na ang boses ko ha. Guys, napapaus na ang boses ko, so that's all. Thank you.